Hey guys, it's Tays, and welcome to another video. Today we're doing what's inside my bag. What's inside my bag? What's inside my bag? What's inside my bag? This bag is super cute. Look at how cute it is. Love it. It has a little scarf in it. Look at how cute the scarf is. Yes. Let's get started. Open it. And the first thing you see is gum. I have 3 left. I eat these like it's like cigarettes. I like gum so much. I like chewing. Okay. Second is my cell phone. Good. It's my boyfriend Drew. Anyways, my work stub. Yeah, need that. You know, gotta make that moolah. My keys and headphones. Look at my keys. And my little keychain stuff. As you can see, I'm addicted to CVS, Panera, Cadoba's upside down, Cadoba, a craft store, the library, and the best place on earth, Orange Leaf. Orange Leaf. My second item is perfume. You know, at the spray. The smelly haters. Smells so good. My friend got it for me for my birthday. Beautiful. You might see this again soon. Bunch of receipts. Did I mention receipts? Piece of paper. Receipts. A coupon for Peeps. Don't know. I'm not a big fan of Peeps anyway, so I don't know why I have it. I just have more receipts and coupons. As you can see, I love CVS. Trash. More receipts. One of my wallets. My phone wallet when I want. Like, I barely use it anyways. And again, I have a Panera card. And then AC more. Again. My little thingy-majiggy for work. Again, my headphones, I accidentally put them back into my purse again. More receipts. As you can see, I'm full of receipts. Trash. As of right now, I'm pretty much cleaning as I'm showing you. More paper, gum wrapper. This Tide to Go kind of thing, but you know, the cheap version. Oh Lord. More receipts. Can I mention more receipts? I'm telling you, my gum wrapper. My wallet. Let's see what I have inside my wallet. A coupon, my bus card. That's it. I'm broke. Guys, I'm broke. Oh, I found $5. Found $5. These. Ooh. these turbaze thingies. Amazing. And that's bad boy. Putting it in my wallet. What else? What's in my purse? Portable charger. Portable charger. A nickel. Oh wait, I have more. I got a penny, 15, 16, 17, 18 cents. Hair tie. Oh yeah, and lipstick. That's about it. Pretty much I clean my purse. It's huge. Love it. Like, I use this for the party on last Friday, because I had to go, I walked there, but I wore my heels there, because you just, like, never ever lose your glamour from the start. You have to lose it don't even lose it. Never have, always. I'm trying to see what pieces that you keep. Okay. So yeah, this purse is very, very beautiful. I love it. I adore it. I can fit anything in there. So I tell you the story about maybe I have time to tell you about my story on Friday. So I went. I look great, guys. I look fierce. Follow me on Instagram and see what I wore. You know, I showed you on the last video what I wore, but I looked amazing. Some people should just really take advice. Had an advice for me. Okay. So the party was good. My princess looked adorable. I looked adorable. Follow me on Instagram to see what I wore. If you don't remember, I tried my best. I really didn't know what to do with my hair, not to know what I did with my makeup. I just went with the flow. But I actually had fun. Like, I made myself have fun in my head. I have fun in my head anyways. I always do. Yeah. Like I said, guys, I really need help what to do with my videos. Like I said, I don't know what to do. Maybe next week. Next week I'm taking a week off because my mom's on vacation and you know what it is. The week after, I'm gonna do my monthly favorites. After that, I don't know what to do. So please like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with all your friends and family. And I'll see you all next time. Don't forget, I don't know what I'm going to say, but see you later. Bye.